Italian chocolate budino is absolutely delicious and easy to make. We're gonna start off with 5 egg yolks. We're gonna whisk them. Now we're gonna add some cream, mix it all up. Now we're gonna incorporate some sugar, and don't forget to put a pinch of salt. Now place your pot on the stove on medium heat. Make sure you keep whisking it regularly because you don't want to have little clumps on the bottom of your pot. Once you achieve this texture, take the pot off the heat. It will take about 10 minutes to achieve the consistency that you desire. Now add your chocolate chips, start mixing it nice and well. Make sure you incorporate the chocolate chips off the heat. If you want to, you can add some protein powder or keep it as is. It's delicious either way. Now place this velvety mixture in some ramekins and we're gonna cool it off in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. Now top it off with some whipped cream. Sure, I'm using some canned whipped cream. I wanna make my life easy. Sprinkle some cocoa powder over it and enjoy.